In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from old iPhone to iPhone 16e. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the migration process for any iPhone model. So even though I'm talking about the iPhone 16e specifically, this process will work with any combination of old and new iPhone, so you can transfer all of your data from an old iPhone to a new one. To do this, make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and that they are in close proximity of each other. This will be done when you are setting up the new device and you are on the Hello screen. So when you get to the Hello screen on the new device, you will be able to access Quick Start. This is what allows you to easily transfer all of your data at once through a variety of methods. So on the old device, you will see this, set up new iPhone, and on the new device, you will be given the instructions to set up and use Quick Start. So like I said, this must be done on the Hello screen. If you have already gone through this screen, then you will have to factory reset the new iPhone 16e to get to it again. When you browse through the Hello screen, you will see this message, Set up iPhone. And as long as you have both devices in close proximity, you will see the button to set up for myself or for a child in the family. Choose whichever option suits you best. And once you select this, you might have to scan something similar to a QR code. So using the camera on the new iPhone, the iPhone 16e, scan any necessary code. With this done, your data will be transferred. You will see this message on the old device. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up, and then you will be given the option to transfer from an iCloud backup, from another iPhone, from Mac or PC, Android, and so on. And this allows you to easily package all of your data and transfer it at once to the new device. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from old iPhone to iPhone 16e. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.